Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit in Python. So let's get started. So first let me get the input Celsius from the user. So let C be my Celsius equal to, and here you need to focus on important thing. We shouldn't be using int of input because getting the input temperature can be in a form of decimal or a float number. So for that reason we will be using float of input. So it's going to be float and it's going to be input. And let me just have a message as enter Celsius. Yeah, I think that's the right spelling. Yeah, and next one is going to be the formula. So the formula is going to be Fahrenheit. Let me consider it as F equal to Celsius C asterisk, and we will be using 9 by 5. So that is in form of a divided way. So for that we can use 1.8 rather than 9 by 5, because if you divide 9 by 5 you will be getting 1.8. Yeah, so for that we can directly use the decimal number itself. It's more convenient way and it avoids confusion. Yeah, so Celsius asterisk 1.8 close the brackets plus 32. Okay, this is the formula, and final thing, just print it. Yeah, print Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's it. I'm saving it now, and if I just now run it, so I think I will go with 37 something. I think 37 is near 98 or 99, I guess. Yeah, so it's 98. So let me go with another number as well. I think 37.7 is nearly 100, so I'll go with 37.7. Yeah, it's 99.8 something, so that's nearly 100. So this is working fine, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also run many other tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.